Hey guys, and welcome back to another channel. Every week is fashion week for me. Hi guys, and welcome back to another channel. So we are here back with another review. You know how we do, okay? So we are back with no other, because you know we love them and they love us and love me. We are here. XRX Beauty. It'd be the orange box for me, you know. So, of course, you know, they sent us everything. The unit, of course, the unit. We'll get into that. We'll get into the unit. You know, we love goodie bags. We love gifts, comb, stock account, you know, all that. We love that. But they sent me some samples, so, and they want me to try these samples out for you guys, okay? They sent me new clear lace, okay? New clear lace. And they sent me regular brown lace. Regular brown lace. Regular brown lace, whatever. So let's try these laces out. And okay. We are going to do first new clear lace. New clear lace. Ooh, now that, okay. Our other one. Regular brown lace. We're gonna try that. They both look good though. They both look good. Gonna let them dry. We definitely like the new brown lace, but this looks good too as well. They both look good. They both look good. All right. And we're back with the unit. So we have SKU Bob, B-O-B, okay. And inches are 14 inches. It's 14 inches. Density is 150. Okay. Let's check her out. Ooh, she's gorgeous. Ooh. Okay. You know, I gotta smell it. Okay, she smells divine. Okay, let's check out the inside of it. Okay, you know, you guys get two combs on the end, one comb in the middle, and you get an extra comb on the end. You get a nice elastic band right there that you can pull, and you get an extra piece as well on the inside. You want that, you know, secure in the back. So this is the unit, of course. Let me show y'all what it gives. It does give scalp though. And let me show y'all what it looks like with the unit on. This is, oof. Okay, now it's about to go ahead and blend in my head already. Oh, she is, ooh. Okay, she looks good. Okay. I ain't even put no glue on. And she looking like that. I ain't even put no glue on. But she looking like that. I ain't even put no glue on, but she looking like scalp. Okay. Y'all know how we do. Let's go ahead and get it together, okay? Let me get this makeup on, and you know how we do when we do that. Oh, okay, so I'm back. You know, oh, kept it real glitter and gold, you know, hey? Keep it real glitter and gold. Anywho, let's try the wig on, okay? Because we looking like this before we absolutely put the wig on, put the unit on. So I'm going to put my attachments so I can secure it. Okay, go ahead and put my attachment so I can secure it. Okay, it's secured. And this is what it's going to be looking like because, ooh, it's already, look how thick it is. Oh, I ain't even glued it down, but look how thick it is. Oh my God, you can't tell me this ain't my hair. You cannot tell me this ain't my hair. Oh, look. She ain't even glued down yet. Oh my goodness. Let's go glue it down. Look. Oh my goodness. Look at the part. Okay, let's go. I'm excited. Let's go. So I'm going to do some slap me some Xrsbeauty. Slap that Xrsbeauty on there. Yeah. Slap that Xrsbeauty. Okay. And then we're going to add some in the front. Okay. I'm going to add some of that Xrsbeauty in the front. Because it's got to be. Okay. So we're doing that. Okay. We're going to do that. Lay it down, pull it, okay. You want to get it all the way behind the ear because you want it to stick as possible. Okay? You want it to stick as possible. Okay, put some back there. So there we go. Then I'm going to take my spray. Just make some circles. And this just gives like a little extra lift there. Don't really have to spray it, but I just spray it because it gives just a little more sticky. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to let that dry, let that simmer layer down. And we're going to come back. This is the most exciting, the real part of the unit. So as I lay it down, y'all, lay it down like that. Because I really wanted to fit my head. So I'm going to aim it where I want it. Okay. Aim it, you see? Aim it where I want it. Right there. Okay, don't worry about the extra excess. All that will be coming off. Okay. All of that will be coming off, you see? So, now, I'm gonna spray that down. Just like that. Not a whole lot. Then, we're gonna pretty much lay that down so that can dry. Well, obviously we have to put in the... And we'll be right back. Okay, gonna pull that off. And we're gonna cut. We're gonna cut. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that down. And then I'm gonna cut behind the ear because I want it to fit my head, obviously. Okay. Okay. There we go. I'm sorry, I couldn't really see y'all. I had to come in the light so I can see where I want to cut it. And then I'm gonna go behind my ear. I'm gonna go behind my ear and cut it. There we go. And we're just gonna take some glue, aim it down. There we go. I'm gonna go just like that, and it'll be sticky before you know it. Give us a minute. Okay, so I'm about to release this so y'all can see what I have got. And can you see what lace where? Cause it's coming out my scalp. Baby, you ain't about to tell me this is my hair. Okay? So I'm just gonna give it like a nice little layout. Okay. There we go. All right. Boom, boom. Now let's go talk about it. Hello, let me see in a minute. Okay, guys, so I am back with the unit. Okay, I am back with everything. And overall, baby, I got a little juice up there, but it's so soft. Run my hands through. Not really having any problems. Let me just give y'all this version of this scalp. It's definitely giving scalp. Oh, see, pushed it back. Still giving scalpness, honey. Got a little oil sheen up there, you know. But it gives, it moves when I move, baby. This is it. This is that. It's giving that natural. Listen. You know I gotta go somewhere. Because somebody gotta see me like this, okay? I can't waste this and just put this on camera. Somebody gotta see me. But y'all know, I'm gonna put the information in the description bar. And you thought this video was over. Your nice water bottle. And you just get it wet. Not only I can wear it straight, but I can wear it curly too. Ooh, what? You, baby, a natural curl. This, baby, oh my, look, this, oh, you ain't, look how natural that looks. That is a natural curl. Oh my goodness. Yes. Curly. Y'all better hit them up, honey, and tell them I sent you.
Thank you for your services.